Supply chain. My name is Juliet Rivera. A supply chain is the working of the individual organization, recurse activities, and technology involved in the creation and sales of products, from delivery of scarce material in delivery to the user. The seller. A seller is individual or entity to exert any good service in return for payment. In the final market, a seller is a person or entity who is affecting a security the all the be purchased by someone else. The producer corresponds to thousand was transformed the raw material into an article. The customer. A customer is person or company that reserves customer or boutiques a product or service and can charge with different goods and supplies. The strategies. Number one, identify opportunities. Number two, respond capacity. Number three, a service communication. Number four, identify the quality and work next. Flow in supply chain. One, raw materials. Two, production. Three, transport and logistics. Four, agents and breaks. Five, distribution and delivery. Six, site or customer contact. Seven, external. Chain and service. The service supply chain is the part of the chain delicate to provide service or products. The two types of supply chain management involves logics, supplement, and backdoor into production, process or external facilitation. Outbound logics, moving and external of production from the end and the products line to the user. Vertical and horizontal supply chain. Vertical is one, the manufacturer or the element of the supply chain include assembly lines and the parts needed to assemble the final product. Horizontal use a collection of independent supplement who deliver the parts to the manufacturer. What are the benefits of vertical integration? Number one, in creative companies, accurate process control. Number three, in create market extract. Number four, the correct costs. Strength of supply chain management evolutive nature. A system that is lean time, supply chain management, supply chain integral, supply new collaboration. Thanks.